Hey folks, Ed the Impala guy here, and actually I can say Ed the Impala guy. We just picked up our latest acquisition from Copart. I just got it home and figured I'd bring you along for the ride. Welcome to the new Copart project car. Ta-da! The 2008 Chevrolet Impala LT that was in a front-end collision. Doesn't look like it'll be much to put it back together. It did fire right up after I put my little booster pack on it. The only thing that we had to cut the hood apart. Anyhow, I'm going to get it off the tow dolly here and get it in the garage where we can take a better look at it. But other than being dirty, and this thing is really dirty, whoever had it just really didn't take care of it. Seems to be in good working order. The rest of the body looks good. It has 105,000 miles on it. You can see there 105, 523, and there's no warning lights on the dash, and I've got a full tank, 3/4 of a tank of gas. Anyhow, this is going to be the new project car. Hopefully it'll be kind of a quick flip. We're going to fix the body work. We're going to clean it up. I will be taking the leather interior out of Crash over there in the barn and putting it in this, including the carpeting, the door cards, and this dash, the dash piece right there. And we'll also have to do something with the seat belts. The seat belts in Crash are black. These are the light gray. The seat belts in Crash also need to be rebuilt after the accident. So I can either take these that have the intact cartridges, ship them off to the rebuilder and have them re-webbed in black, or I can just take Crash's seat belts and send them off to have them recharged. We'll probably end up doing that. That'll be about 150 bucks for 2 seat belts. But anyhow, I think if we switch out the interiors, this is going to look a lot better. It just is. This thing is gross. It's dirty, and it's not leather. But it is weird. It does have a sunroof, so go figure. Oh, and we almost lost the phone. So anyhow, let me get this thing off the trailer and into the garage, and we'll talk at you soon. All right, folks, I got it off the trailer, and we're taking it for a little test drive here. Seems to run just fine. Got some struts that are kind of creaking and groaning. Other than that, I got tire pressure sensors that aren't working, which, yeah, that's no big deal. It seems nice. I mean, it's a very plain Jane interior. I've noticed we don't even have OnStar on the rear view mirror. I will be able to probably switch out the heating module and put the heated leather seats in this one. Other than that, everything kind of seems to work. Be interested in finding out what that creaking and groaning is. If it needs a set of struts, it needs a set of struts. I also noticed that the condenser and the radiator were bent a little bit. I don't know that they're leaking or anything like that, but we'll have to check that out. The good news is there's no shortage of those spare parts at my house. I have 2 of them sitting in the garage that are just fine. The one thing I do not like about this car is it is a column shifter. The good news about that being a column shifter is so is the black leather interior for Crash. That's also a column shifter car. I will have to change out the steering wheel to get the leather wrapped steering wheel. But that should be about it. Also to get the other radio controls. So anyhow, that's where we're at. Just wanted to take it for a nice little drive here, and then we're gonna pull it up in the garage, and we'll get to take the car back, or the trailer back, and then we'll kind of launch into this car when we're done with that. So anyhow, thanks for coming along for the first drive, and we'll see you in a bit. Well, there you have it, folks. That'll be the new project coming up. Probably just be a couple installments. One of the things I will probably show step by step will be the painting of the hood and the front bumper and the body work associated with that, because it'll be kind of simple, kind of short to the point. Won't be too involved. So hang in there with me on this. It should be an interesting build. Also, in the day or two that's passed since we brought it home, we thought about the interior, and I may just try and get the interior the way it is. I'm going to have it professionally detailed, see what they can do with it. Switching it out with the leather one. The prospective buyer that I have lined up really isn't interested in paying the extra money for the leather interior, so she wants to kind of keep it stock and cloth. So we're gonna try cleaning it up. We'll see how it goes. If not, we may have to order some new carpeting. We'll see. Anyhow, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I think I'm up to 78 subscribers now, which is awesome. Appreciate it, you guys. Thank you very much. Smash the like button or the dislike button, whatever. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're hoping to see out of this series. We're going to continue on this car, and we're going to continue on the 2009 Saturn Outlook as well. So hang in there. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we'll see you soon.